How to rejoin a Discord server when banned. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can rejoin a Discord server when banned. The first thing you want to do is appeal the ban. The most straightforward way to rejoin a server is by appealing the ban. If you know who banned you, you can try to reach out to them directly through DM or through any other social media, then explain to them why you should be unbanned. The next thing you can do is wait for the ban to expire. In some cases, the server may issue a temporary ban which expires after a certain period. If you were given a temporary ban, you can simply wait until the ban has been expired. Now, the next thing you can do is simply create a new account. But remember that if you have been banned on Discord, your IP has also been banned. So if you try to create a new account using the same internet, then you are not going to be able to create a new account since Discord has also banned your IP. So in that case, you want to open up Play Store or App Store and search for a VPN. Now you can basically download any VPN that you want, then tap on the open option. Now, you want to enable the VPN, then head over to any web browser and enable the incognito mode. Then you simply want to create a new account. Then using the new account, you can rejoin the Discord server, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.